Okay, so we've got this Midland 4001. It's the first of the two. This is the one the customer bought in December of 2022, but it hasn't been satisfactory. I think really the deviation was how we've changed 3 capacitors in the receiver and generally just gone through it. So if you saw the video, that was that. We're going to be doing another one next, but we're going to push a friend's Midland in between. So Mr. Chippie has already told me he's out here there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yeah, Roger. Right, off we go.
Any tone controls?
Yes, there is. So you talk to me.
Yep, roger that. Just sat in the labour outside Woody's. 54321.
So it's a bit more bass here because it switches the capacitor in the filter position, and we have it in the out position. It's a bit more trebly. Roger on that, thank you.
Roger.
Right, so we're now on the extension speaker.
Now to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane. So now it's on to the external speaker from the internal one which you first heard it on.
Tango 21, off you go.
Yeah, I'm going.
That's alright then.
Passing Ancaster service station, and it is very close at this time.
It is very close at this time.
Alright, we're now square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger got you square wheeled at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford.
I'm on a Midland 4001, set from 1982, and doing 4 watt output. Over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger, diddly dodger. Tell you what, it's only drawing 950 milliamps as well for its 4 watt output.
Good. Level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilson level crossing.
Roger. Passing the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn.
Roger. Passing the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger. Hopefully we'll be able to pull in and not have your face pinched.
Roger. Don't think there'll be anybody about this time.
Roger, diddly dodger.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point. Over.
Roger. So I'm on this Midland 4001 and it doesn't have low power, so it's just a matter of looking at the meter and telling you it's drawing 950 milliamps to 4 watts output, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and I'm on my standard replacement line. Over.
Yep, Roger, that was all received very well, so there you go.
Excellent. And I've finished. Off you go.
Roger. Over.
Roger, got you going over raw speed, level crossing.
Yes, same as yesterday, I think 149.7 and 159.9. Over.
Excellent, and that concludes the test, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10.
And 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Have you got a petrol price?
Yes, same as yesterday, I think 149.7 and 159.9. Over.
Excellent, and that concludes the test, thank you.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
10-10. Well, didn't that work well? Good. We'll go over to our base station and we'll see what it sounds like on my standard replacement mic. Now, when we do the customer's other set, we'll go through his standard replacement mic and his original Midland mic at the same time. So we're going to cover 3 mics with the next Midland 4001. We'll be cramming in a Midland 76095 as the next job for my friend Stuart. So over to our base station, see what it sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the Midland 4001 into our Midland 76900 base station on my standard replacement microphone. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. And as ever, thanks for watching.